Education for All is an initiative taken serious by the global community, and the Association of Professional Women Engineers of Nigeria is dedicated to making sure they do not take the backseat in its advocacy. After giving a record 81 scholarships so far to deserving pupils, with the most recent in Delta State, with the support of the Deputy Governor, His Excellency Barrister Kingsley Burutu Otuara, and his wife, Engineer APWEN Otuara. The women engineers, led by the President, Engineer Felicia Agubata, FNSE, has taken the advocacy further by visiting the Managing Director and Chief Executive of Nigerian Security Printing and Minting PLC, Mr. Abbas Umar Musemawa, in respect of one of their own, the incoming President of APWEN, Engineer Fumilade Ojelade, in a move to getting his support for her and also for the education-oriented projects the Women Association is working on.
We have what we call Inventive Building Program. That's the program we targeted at primary school pupils to elicit their interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, to ensure that we have more girl child that go into sciences that will lead them to a career in engineering. Because if you don't take sciences as a subject during your secondary school, you cannot be an engineer. And we know that science is life, and that STEM is an economic driver, and engineers are problem solvers. So that's why we want to have as many engineers as possible. In terms of the work she do, anything that has to do with documentation, just send it to her. In 5 minutes, you see red pen, mistake, she's processing. 5 minutes, corrections have been done now. That is her dedication. She's always there, at the right time, on time and on point. We are asking them for your support these 2 years.
She further emphasized that APWEN is currently constructing an ultra-modern science and technology laboratory, which will be the first of its kind in Nigeria, and the purpose the facility will serve.
APWEN is currently constructing an ultra-modern science and technology laboratory, first of its kind in a primary school, to ensure that the study of STEM is improved in the country.
The Managing Director was full of praise for the women engineers for the achievements they have made and the dedication of Engineer Ojelade. He further promised to support the incoming President and to also support the association in their outlined projects for the good of the nation.
Great money and even maintain our machine locally. If you see us calling somebody to come outside the country, it's something that is so complicated. Most of the things that we're supposed to call people, that the people like it usually that do it on our behalf. So she's a very big asset to us, a lot of them like this. And because of the fact that it's an engineering aspect, that shows that it's even naturally we should be able to support you, whatever capacity we can be able to support you. So I tell you that we're going to support you, we're going to support her, and we want to appreciate and thank you for the feats that you have achieved, for finding it worthy, find her worthy of electing her as the new president of their own association.
In a related development, the Assistant General Manager, HOD Electronics Communication, Murtala Mohammed Airport, Engineer Yuguda Abdulaziz, who expressed satisfaction with the activities of APWEN and its President, Engineer Felicia Agubata, FNSE. Engineer Yuguda Abdulaziz has urged APWEN to also lead the call for legislation to stifle punishment for cooperative rape and domestic violence in the country.
Domestic violence against women, they should push legislation, they should lobby and push a legislation to stop that domestic violence, to allow the woman to walk free on the streets and go back home without being molested by her husband or her siblings. Rapists should be given maximum sentence.
He also called for the inclusion and integration of women with varying forms of disabilities into the economy.
Then women would physical disability should not be discriminated in the public and private service establishments. They should also be seen as
part of the society.
Yes,
capable
they should be
to
given
offer
responsibility to carry on. There are people, there are people with physical disability, but mentally they can do a lot of things on the ICT. They can operate the computer very well. They can do a lot of things while seated. If you have disability with the legs, there are so many things you can do. But once you get to a place in a public service, when they see you with a disability, they tend to discriminate against you. I want APWEN to put in place a good legislation that will work against such vices.